self-sustained feels like, boys and girls. A little bit muddy. There ain't no way. Whew. Oh, man. Thank God for an inside facility, even if it's just for a minute. Let's see if we can catch a fish. I'm gonna tell you the truth, guys. I'm a little bit worried. Oh my gosh. You gotta be kidding me. Look at the size of that crappie. Oh my gosh, look at the size of that crappie. Holy guacamole, fellas, look at the size of that crappie. Oh my goodness. Like a keeper size crappie. If I was keeping them, which I'm not, we might have us a video. I'll be dang, would you look at that? Praise God. What a fish. What a fish. Look at there. Fat old slab daddy. Well, actually, he's probably right at a keeper, so I don't know if we can call him a slab, but you know, either way.